How to transfer money from USA to Pakistan. Now, we will use the Remitly website. Why Remitly? Because it has the lowest fees. And if you use the link below, you will benefit from your first $1,000 without any fees. Now, first of all, select USA from here, as you can see. And now in the two, select the Pakistan. Now, as you can see here, enter the amount that you want to transfer. In this case, it will be $1,000. And now click on Get this rate. Now, after that, log into your accounts. And now click on Send Money. And as you can see here, you will send $1,000. And now select the payment method. In this case, it will be the bank account. And now this is, as you can see, the fee, it's 0. And your recipient will receive $1,000. Now click on Continue. Now, delivery method, select the delivery method if you want to cash pickup or mobile money or bank deposit. Now, if you select the bank deposit, as you can see, click on Continue. You need to select the recipient bank, for example, Bank of Punjab. And as you can see here, you need to enter the Bank of Punjab number and click on Continue. And after that, provide the recipient name and the last name. And after that, provide the number of your recipient. And now you will need to add your debit card to be able to send that money. Now, as you can see, there is another option. This option is cash pickup. Now, if you use the cash pickup, now click on Continue. And as you can see here, select the pickup, as you can see, for example, Aliyat Bank. And as you can see here, provide the name and the last name of your recipient name. And as you can see here, you need to provide the city, for example, now click on Continue. And if you want to provide recipient mobile number, you can. If you don't, click on Skip. And as you can see here, add your debit card to be able to transfer money from and click on Continue. Now you need to provide your debit card information here and click on Next. After that, double check your card information and now click on Transfer Money and your recipient will receive the money. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Pakistan. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.